Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I am going to show you how you can add another language beside the default language of the OS. So most of the time I am typing Persian, so I need the Persian language available to be in the keyboard. To add it, simply go ahead, open the settings, and then from there you have to choose a time and a language. And then from here you have to choose a language and a region, and from there you can see that by default the very own English language has been added since I installed Windows 11 with the default English language. So to add a new language, simply choose click add language and then type the name of the language that you are interested in, and then you can see that I have searched for Persian, and now simply choose next and hold on a moment until it should download the language pack. Okay, there's also some optional feature regarding to the language pack, but I am not interested. And here's also the language preferences. If you want to change the default uh, operating system language from English to Persian or any other language, you can set this option and then click install. It is going to install it, but at the moment I am not going to do anything at all. Just simply click install, and now you can see that the Persian has been added. The thing is that at the moment it is going to download some language specs like the grammar stuff. It is going to take some time, but again, only this option can do for me right now. Suppose I am looking for something in the Persian. If I want to switch between if I want to switch between them, just hold on Windows plus space on the keyboard, and then this window will appear, which is the keyboard layout. Just then you can just simply choose among them, or you can use Alt Shift from back Windows 7. It still can do the thing. Now we can see that I am typing in Persian. So suppose I am looking for the Persian like Windows 11, or which will be in Persian Windows Yazda. Now you can see that everything is available. I type Persian here. So this is how you can add a new language into the Windows 11 on the keyboard. So have a nice day, and do not forget to subscribe into Guide YouTube channel, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.